The student wants to indicate where the diacrosaurid fossil was found. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Dr. Sunil Bajpal studies dinosaurs at the Indian Institute of Technology. Bajpal's research team recently found a 967 million old diacrosaurid fossil. It is the oldest fossil from the diacrosaurid dinosaur group ever recorded. It was found in the Thar Desert in western India. So, from the text, it clearly states that the diacrosaurid fossil was found in the Thar Desert in western India. So, A. The diacrosaurid fossil was found in western India's Thar Desert. This seems to be the correct answer because this clearly highlights where the diacrosaurid fossil was found, which was in the Thar Desert in western India. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Bajpai's team recently found the oldest diacrosaurid fossil ever recorded. This is incorrect, because this simply says that they found the oldest diacrosaurid fossil ever recorded. It doesn't mention where this fossil was found. So B can be eliminated. C. Dr. Sunil Bajpai of the Indian Institute of Technology is part of a research team. This is incorrect, because this doesn't mention where the fossil was found. Instead, it focuses on Dr. Sunil, so C is incorrect. D. The fossil, which is from the diacrosaurid dinosaur group, is 167 million years old. This is incorrect, because this doesn't properly show where the diacrosaurid fossil was found. Instead, it simply says that it is 167 million years old. So D can be eliminated as well. And thus, the correct answer is A.